Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Overwatch on Mac easy method. Install the Blizzard Battle. NetApp or set up Boot Camp to run Windows on your Mac immediately. Sign into your Blizzard account, download Overwatch, and follow on-screen prompts to install. Verify Mac OS updates and optional GPU drivers, then configure graphics settings for smooth gameplay. I'll walk you through each step clearly and keep things approachable and practical. Start by weighing your priorities, convenience versus performance. If you prefer simplicity, install the Battle. NetApp and run the native client when available. For better performance on Intel Macs, set up Boot Camp and install Windows to run Overwatch natively. Virtual machines like Parallels or VMware are quick to set up, but expect lower FPS compared to Boot Camp. I'll explain how to pick and set up each method so you can choose what fits your needs. Optimize for smooth play by adjusting a few settings before you launch Overwatch. Lower texture and effects presets, cap frame rate if needed, and reduce resolution to boost performance. Close background apps like browsers and cloud sync tools to free CPU and RAM resources. On supported Macs, an external GPU can drastically improve visuals and FPS. I'll show the specific settings and quick checks that make the biggest difference to your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.